Since I got my very first credit card at the age of 18, which was around 4 years ago, I've been able to accumulate around 300,000 points / miles. In this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you guys could do that as well. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Edras and welcome to my channel. Now before we get started with the video, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any future content. But let's get straight to the video with step number 1, which is just get started with credit cards. Now to anyone starting off their credit card journey, I definitely recommend just starting off with no annual fee cards. Now if you guys are just starting off, I'm guessing you guys are around the age of 18, which I definitely recommend just starting off with a student card or a secure card just to get familiar with the game. The best thing you can do right now is just get familiar with the credit card game and then move on to higher tier cards. Starting off with one of these credit cards are just going to help you guys build good habits, which is going to start you off with a good credit score. And as most of us know, having an amazing credit score is really essential when you're trying to get a mortgage for a house or even a loan. Now the very best thing you can do at the start of your credit card journey is just not slip away. And what I mean by this is always pay your cards on time, keep a low credit utilization, have a long length of credit history, build new credit, and have a good amount of credit mix. Make sure you guys follow those steps because messing with one of those can hurt you in the long run. And moving on to step number 2 is get a good credit card setup. Now before I show you guys any of the credit card setups that I recommend, I want you guys to assign every single credit card a job, or otherwise it's pretty much just useless. Now what you want to have in a good credit card setup are good multipliers on dining, groceries, gas, travel, business expenses, and etc. Now the one credit card setup that I definitely recommend is the Chase Trifecta. The Chase Trifecta includes the Chase Freedom Flex card, the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, and the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. With the Freedom Flex card, you're going to be able to get 3x on dining plus 5x points on rotating categories on every single quarter of the year. With the Freedom Unlimited card, you're going to be able to get 3x on dining and 1.5x points on all other purchases. And with these cards, you're going to be able to combine all your points and transfer those points to the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, and here's why. Although the Chase Sapphire Preferred card doesn't have amazing multipliers, the main purpose of this card is just to transfer your points to the Chase Travel Partners. Here are all the Chase Travel Partners, which are really amazing, and I'll show you guys later in the video on how to redeem your points the best way. And now the best way to get the big amount of points are just from sign-up bonuses. With the Chase Freedom Flex card and the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, you're going to be able to get $200 after spending $500 in the first 3 months. However, those $200 are going to come as 20,000 UR points. So basically, you'll be able to get 20,000 UR points from your Chase Freedom Flex card and then another 20,000 on your Chase Freedom Unlimited card. And from the recording of this video, the Chase Sapphire Preferred card has a sign-up bonus of 60,000 UR points after spending 4,000 in the first 3 months. So just from these 3 credit cards, you'll be able to accumulate around 100,000 points in just a matter of months. But make sure you guys just do it in order. So start off with the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, Freedom Flex card, and then the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. And why I really recommend getting started off with Chase cards is just to avoid the Chase 524 rule. But make sure you guys range out a couple months until you apply for your new card. So what I recommend is just waiting from 3 to 6 months until you apply for the next one. Now after you got started with a good credit card setup, you can now move on to premium cards. There's a ton of premium credit cards out in the market right now, such as the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, the Capital One Venture X card, and the Amex Platinum card. Now the main purpose of getting a premium card is just getting it for the benefits. The main premium credit card that I definitely recommend is the Capital One Venture X card, since it basically just pays itself off. And I say this because the Capital One Venture X card has an annual fee of $395. However, the credits add up to $400 combined. And along with that, it's going to give you 75,000 miles after spending 4,000 in the first 3 months. Now if you guys want a full breakdown of that card, make sure you guys check out the video right here. But pretty much I want you guys to just look at your points starting off with 1 cent per point, but I want you guys to look at them as at least 2 cents per point, if not more. Now to step number 4 is get hotel credit cards. There's a ton of amazing hotel credit cards out in the market right now, such as the Chase World of Hyatt credit card, the Hilton Surpass or the Hilton Aspire card, the ISG Rewards card, and many more others. Now the main reason why you guys want to have hotel cards in your credit card setup is that a lot of them have amazing sign-up bonuses, but also you'll be able to get higher status for that hotel chain. And having a high status with the hotel can get you free room upgrades, free breakfast, and other amazing benefits as well. If I was to pick one hotel credit card, it would be the Chase World of Hyatt credit card, and this is why. This card has an annual fee of $95, however, you're going to be able to get a sign-up bonus of 30,000 points after spending $3,000 in the first 3 months. On top of that, you're going to be able to get a free night every single year just by having the card open. And the World of Hyatt points are really valuable, as you can get from 1 to 4 cents per point. The multipliers on this card are really good as well, when you can get 9x points on Hyatt stays, 2x points on dining out, 2x points on flights, 2x points on gym memberships, and 2x points on everything else for the first 6 months. And finally, step number 5 is how to redeem your points or miles the best way possible. What you guys have to know is sometimes it's honestly better to pay cash than pay in points or miles, simply because it just doesn't make sense. I'm going to show you guys right now on how to get a hotel for free with points and a flight for free with miles. Alright guys, so to show you an example with points, you'll first want to make an account with Hyatt because they have some of the best point redemptions. And to transfer Chase points to Hyatt, you will either need the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, the Sapphire Reserved card, or the Business Preferred card. Now I'll be searching stays for Paris on November 15th to November 19th, and make sure to click use points to compare the rates. After the results pull up, you can now browse to see which one you like, but that also gives you the best value. I did see this one that had a stay for 15,000 points a night or 600 euros a night. If you compare the points to dollar, you are basically paying $150 for this 600 euro stay. I say this because if you do 1 cent per point on the 15,000 points, it's basically $150. So if you purchase this stay with points, you are basically getting 4 cents per point, which is insane value. So just imagine paying for this 600 euro stay for only $150. Now moving on to miles for flights. I'll be booking a flight with Air France, which is partners with Flying Blue, where I can send my Capital One miles to. I'll be searching the same exact dates for economy using cash, then we'll compare it with paying with miles. I'll also be departing from Houston, which is where I'm from. The cheapest flight is $727, but that's if you're traveling light. I'll pick the standard option since that's what most people would pick. Now to return back to Houston, it would be $862, making the total round trip to $1,672.45. Now let's do the same exact thing with miles. The departing flight is only 20,000 miles plus $99.33 for taxes and fees. The same goes for the returning flight, as I would only pay 20,000 points and $99.33 for taxes and fees. That would bring you the total to 40,000 miles plus $198.65 for taxes and fees. So if you calculate it as 1 cent per mile, the total for the round trip would be $598.65. Now comparing that to the $1,672.45 that you'd be paying in cash, just by paying it in miles, you would be saving $1,073.80. So if you pay with miles, it's going to give you a value of 2.79 cents per mile. Now those are my 5 steps of the best credit card strategy, but if you guys think differently, make sure you guys comment down below and give me your thoughts. Now if you guys want to apply for any of the credit cards that I listed out in the video, I'll be leaving links down below, and if you apply using that link, you're directly helping the channel out massively, and I can't thank you guys enough. Now if you guys are still watching, make sure you guys leave a penguin emoji down in the comment section, just so I know that you guys watched till the very end. And if you guys are looking for any help, make sure you guys follow my Instagram and message me there, and I could definitely help you guys out. But other than that, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any future content. Thank you guys as always for the immense support on my channel, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.